As I sit here now, I remember that lovely evening. The sun was setting, casting a warm glow over the old cottage. It was a gentle, peaceful time of day. The sky was painted with soft colors, pink, orange, and purple. The air was calm, with a hint of coolness that comes when the day starts to end. I was inside the cottage, feeling cozy and safe. Outside, the trees were quiet, their leaves barely moving in the still air. As the sun dipped lower, the sky began to change. The colors deepened, and the clouds grew thicker. I could see the clouds gathering, but they didn't look scary. They were soft and white, like big, fluffy pillows. Suddenly, tiny drops of rain started to fall. They fell gently from the sky, making a soothing sound on the roof of the cottage. The raindrops were small and light, but they were steady. They created a constant, calming rhythm that seemed to match the beating of my heart. The old cottage was a perfect place to be on an evening like this. It was a small, cozy home with a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The walls were thick, the fireplace was big, and the windows were small. It was a place where you could feel safe and protected from the outside world. As the rain continued to fall, I felt my worries slowly drifting away. The sound of the raindrops on the roof was like music, a lullaby that rocked me into a state of deep relaxation. As I looked out the window, I saw the rain creating a misty veil around the cottage. The world outside was becoming quieter, more peaceful. The rain was washing away all the noise and distractions, leaving only the gentle sound of water falling from the sky. It was a magical moment, a time when everything felt right with the world. And as I sat there, listening to the soft rain on the old cottage roof, I felt grateful for this little slice of heaven on earth. The memory of that evening is still with me, a warm and comforting feeling that I can recall whenever I need to relax. The sound of the rain on the roof, the feeling of the cozy cottage, and the sense of peace that filled my heart. All these things come back to me when I close my eyes and remember that special evening. As I recall that night, I am filled with a sense of calm and tranquility. The soft rain on the old cottage roof was more than just a sound. It was an experience, a feeling that I will always treasure. And even now, as I sit here in the present, I can almost hear the gentle rhythm of the raindrops, reminding me of the peace and serenity that I found on that magical evening. As I sat by the window, I remembered the evening when the soft rain started to fall. It was a gentle sound like music to my ears. The raindrops fell on the old cottage roof, making a soothing melody. Each drop made a soft sound, like tiny whispers from nature. The roof was old and made of tiles, and when the rain hit them, it created a cozy rhythm. I felt my eyes getting heavy as I listened to the sound of the rain. It was as if the roof was singing a lullaby, and I was a child again, safe and warm in my bed. The sound of the rain was constant, but it was never loud. It was just a gentle pitter-patter, a reminder that the world outside was still moving, even as I sat quietly inside. As I listened, I felt my breath slowing down and my mind becoming calm. The rain on the roof was like a warm blanket, wrapping me in comfort and peace. I closed my eyes and let the sound of the rain wash over me. It was a feeling I will always treasure, a feeling of being safe and cozy on a rainy evening. The sound of the rain on the roof was like a gentle hug, reminding me that everything was going to be all right. As I sat there, I felt grateful for that old cottage and the way it seemed to come alive when the rain fell. The sound of the rain on the roof is a memory I will always cherish, a reminder of a peaceful and calming evening. Inside the old cottage, everything was warm and snug. The windows were shut tight against the gentle rain outside. A soft glow from inside the cottage peeked out, warming the air with its light. The warm lights of the lamps and fireplaces cast shadows on the walls. Some shadows danced like tiny creatures, others stretched long and dark across the cozy rooms. It was as if the shadows were playing a quiet game in their own world. Inside the kitchen, a soft hum came from the stove. A small pot simmered gently on the burner, releasing a comforting aroma of warm tea. The sound of rain against the roof continued its gentle lullaby, blending with the rustle of pages from an open book nearby. In another room, a child's voice whispered softly to a stuffed animal friend. The light from the lamp made everything look softer and more friendly. It was a safe place where dreams could form and fears fade away in the soft glow of a well-loved home. Inside the cottage, the wooden walls held warmth after the cool evening had settled outside. A gentle crackle of the logs in the fireplace provided a soothing soundtrack to the night. The warm glow of the firelight danced across the room, casting shadows that played hide-and-seek along the old walls. In a cozy armchair by the hearth, a book was slowly opened to a comfortable page. The cover felt familiar and worn under her fingertips. She breathed in deeply, the scent of wood smoke filling her senses. The air was thick with the aroma, mingling with the soft aroma of hot tea that seeped from a nearby teapot. The rain outside whispered against the roof as it continued its gentle melody. Each drop echoed softly through the cottage, adding to the peaceful ambience. A single lamp on a small table cast a warm light, illuminating the book in her hands and the little shelf filled with cherished treasures, photos, old letters, and more books. A few pages of the book were turned gently, the words almost alive as they unfolded in front of her eyes. The story was familiar, well-worn by years of reading, yet it always offered a new comfort, a quiet respite from the world outside. The rain continued its gentle dance on the old roof, creating a soothing melody that filled the air. Each drop made a soft pattering sound, like tiny drums tapping rhythmically against the wooden shingles. The leaves rustled softly in the breeze, adding to the peaceful scene. Outside, the world seemed to slow down, wrapped in this quiet rain. A gentle wind whispered through the trees nearby, its breath barely audible but somehow comforting. Occasionally, a leaf would flutter from branch to branch, making tiny flutters that blended into the ambient sound of nature's symphony. Inside the cottage, it was warm and snug. The fire crackled softly in a hearth, casting flickering shadows on the walls. The flames seemed to dance with the rhythm of the rain outside, creating a cozy interplay of light and dark. Outside, inside, everything felt just right. The night had deepened, and the rain continued its gentle patter against the old cottage roof. Inside, the air was warm and cozy with a soft blanket spread over a nearby chair. It seemed to whisper that anyone needed could rest for a while longer. In the dim light of a small lamp on the table, everything felt just right. The soft glow illuminated the blanket, giving it an almost magical quality. As if by magic, the blanket beckoned softly, promising comfort and warmth. A sense of peace washed over the space. It was as though the rain itself had brought this blanket here to provide a moment of tranquility amidst the evening's quietude. The soft pitter-patter outside grew louder, as if the rain knew it was time to bring back old memories. I sat by the window, watching the gentle droplets dance against the roof of the cottage. Each tap echoed like a story from long ago. I remembered how Dad would tell us about his childhood here, the cold winter nights spent by the fireplace, and the lazy summer afternoons playing outside. The rain reminded me of those times, of laughter and stories under the same old roof. A warm smile spread across my face as I thought back to the days when this cottage was our sanctuary. Mom would bake cookies in the kitchen while Dad read us bedtime stories right there by the window. Even now, despite all that had changed, it felt like being wrapped in a comforting blanket of memories. The rain continued its soothing melody, bringing more and more recollections. I thought about the first time we came here, 4 years ago on a summer vacation. It was quiet then, just us three. The sun shone through the old windows, painting golden patterns on the floor. We spent hours exploring every corner of this home, discovering hidden treasures tucked away in dusty corners. Those moments were filled with joy and wonder, simple joys that seemed so precious back then. Sitting here now, listening to the rain, I could almost smell the pine from the trees outside. It was a familiar scent, one that always brought me peace. As the rain slowed to a gentle patter, it felt like the past was whispering soft words of comfort into my ears. Each drop carried the weight of years and the warmth of loved ones who were no longer here, but whose presence I could still feel. The cottage seemed to pulse with a life of its own, alive with memories. It wasn't just a house, it was our home, a place where we found adventure, love, and endless stories. The soft rain continued to tap gently against the roof of the old cottage, creating a soothing melody that filled the room with its rhythmic patter. Inside, by now, the interior was warm and inviting. The fire in the hearth crackled softly, casting gentle shadows across the walls. On the table next to the sofa, a mug of hot chocolate sat, steaming gently. Its warmth provided a comforting embrace as the night deepened outside. Steam rose slowly from the surface, mingling with the cozy air. Each sip brought a sense of calm and contentment, perfect for winding down after a long day. Ella settled into an armchair, wrapping her hands around the mug. The warmth spread through her fingers, spreading a sense of peace throughout her body. She took another sip, feeling more relaxed with each moment. The soft glow from the nearby lamp bathed everything in a warm, golden light, adding to the atmosphere. Outside, the rain continued its gentle dance, but inside, it felt like everything was just right. Ella closed her eyes for a moment, letting the sounds of the rain and the crackling fire lull her into a calm state. As she opened them again, she noticed that the night had turned completely black outside, stars twinkling faintly in the distance. The soft rain on the old roof had slowly faded into a gentle patter, then grew quieter still until it seemed as if the last little drops had finally fallen away. Outside, nature breathed its last sigh for the night. The world around the cottage was so peaceful, so still. In the dim light filtering through the thin curtain of clouds, the cottage stood quiet and contented. Shadows played across the walls, dancing softly in the gentle breeze that whispered through the trees. Leaves rustled gently as if agreeing with the calmness of the evening. Inside the cottage, everything was cozy and settled. The fire had burned down to a soft glow, casting warm light over the room. A book lay open on the table, its pages waiting for another chapter, perhaps tomorrow's tale. An old, comfortable armchair held in its arms the last bits of warmth from the dying embers. The scent of wood smoke and fresh rain lingered in the air, a sweet mixture that made the cottage feel like home. Every corner had been touched by love and care, reflecting the soft glow of the firelight. Softly, so softly, the world outside whispered its goodnight song. As night settled in, crickets began to chirp in the distance, their rhythmic songs adding a gentle lullaby to the evening's quiet. The old clock ticked slowly on the mantelpiece, marking the passage of time, but doing nothing more than ticking away the seconds. Outside, the first stars appeared shyly, peeking through the gathering darkness. They sparkled like tiny diamonds in the fabric of the night sky, a serene and watchful gaze upon all that lay below. The cottage was now entirely alone with its thoughts, its gentle hum of contentment filling the room. The rain had stopped, but the memory of its soft pattering lingered, a soothing reminder of the day's tranquility. In this peaceful silence, The world seemed to hold its breath in quiet anticipation. Outside and inside, nature and home were at peace, sharing a moment of calm before sleep claimed them both. Good night, little one. Sweet dreams.